running late. I want some watermelon candy. Oh no, Juan, come on over, I got you. I have here my friend Juan, and he was craving that lollipop with the sandía wrapped in the fruit tape with the chamoy, the tahini, all that goodness. But I told him, you know what, we can make it from scratch. Now it does take a little extra time, but you know what, once it's put together, you can even prep this the day before, and when you're ready to make cut your sandía and do all that good stuff, it's ready to go. So it's really easy. All you need is strawberries, some sugar-free maple syrup, and a little limon. Go. I'm gonna have you put all the strawberries in here, the maple syrup, and the lemon juice, and we're gonna blend it up.
All right. How many strawberries?
All of it. So this takes about 12 ounces of strawberries to make one little sheet of fruit tape.
One of my favorite fruits is watermelon, and my favorite candy growing up was fruit roll-up.
Ooh, okay. Was there a specific favorite flavor you liked or no?
Just the red one, I guess.
The red ones are, I think it's strawberry, isn't it?
Strawberry or something like that.
Yeah, that's good.
Is that good enough?
Yep, perfect. And then do you like to actually cook?
I actually do like to cook. A lot of people think I'm just a foodie. Yeah. And just like to eat and eat, which I do. But I also like to cook too, guys.
What? Yeah. Why haven't you cooked for us?
I'm invited to the carne asada, guys.
I've never seen him cook at all. I'm just eating.
Just eating. That's why I'm like this. That's why I'm like this.
That's why we're all like that. Just to blend, and we'll be right back. Now that it's blended, all you got to do is we're going to pour it right onto the sheet. So I'm going to have you do that.
Just keep going.
Yep. You can get a little bit over here if you want. We're just going to move it around. So like kind of like that to kind of bring it a little thin, but just kind of try to control it. You don't want to get too close to the edge because then it'll be off the little silicone mat. And you could also use parchment paper. You don't have to use a silicone mat. And we have the oven preheating at 170 degrees. And I'm telling you, any fruit you want.
That's crazy because now I'm thinking I can do, like you said, mango,
bananas, anything, any fruit you like. So you keep an eye on it. It does take about like between 2 to 3 hours, sometimes 4, depending on your oven, you know. Okay. All right, and then we're just gonna put it in the oven.
Let's do it.
Okay. We are finally done. We made the fruit tape. Okay, and it smells so good. You smell it?
Delicious.
Okay, so it's really simple. Now, once it's baked, and it gets cooled really quickly because we're only doing like 170 degrees. So it's already, you can already touch it. I'm gonna pick it up, and we should be able to see. Look, pretty good. Now, some might be a little crispy because it's like when you get it really thin and it cooks. Now we got it.
There you go.
It might be a little bit too long, but we're gonna make it work. We're making your lollipops today, okay, Juan?
Yeah.
Don't you trip, okay? But
we're gonna get it done healthy way. I know a lot of people said I gotta lose weight. Eat much healthier.
Oh, so got a little crispy here. You want to try a little piece?
Yeah.
So no toasty on the edges, but we got the part right here. We're gonna make it work, okay? All right. So I'm gonna have you cut the fruit. We're gonna cut it flat like this. And then you're gonna slice it until about like 1 inch, and then we're gonna turn it around tight and another inch, okay? And then that'll give us our little popsicles.
All the way down?
Yep. We got these little bamboo sticks.
Is that good enough or more?
No, looks good. Yeah, keep going. Flip it like this, and then we're gonna cut it again to make our little. Yep, we can start here. Perfect.
That's fun. I like this.
A little soft, huh?
Yeah. I don't want to do it too hard.
Yeah, don't do it too hard. Let's see if we can pull them out. But basically, we're just putting our little.
That was
just the tip, okay? We just need the tip. All right.
Just the tip. And
we got a little. And then, of course, it's all different depending on size and how you cut them. But that's basically the gist of it.
I like the show already.
Okay.
This one feels good, huh?
Right. This one does too. Look, feel that one? Okay, we got them. Okay.
Pay for this.
Okay. These chamoys and tahini because they're really clean. They're like 0 calories, 0 carbs. I mean, and they taste legit. And these are food safe scissors, okay? How did you get into actually doing this?
Foodie?
Yeah.
Well, ever since I was
I'll let you wrap one. I'm gonna wrap one.
Ever since I can eat, I was trying everything, anything, and everything, and I like rock and roll music.
Okay.
And I like to eat, and I said, hey, let's combine rock and roll with music. So I know people love to eat too, and let's get rock and roll out there, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe we'll listen to it more.
That's why you kind of like, because you're into like rockabilly or more like rock.
Like heavy metal.
Heavy metal, okay.
Rock, like Slayer, Metallica kind of stuff.
I would have thought you were like a, what is it called? Like rockabilly, kind of like 50s with the mustache. You know what I'm saying?
Funny story. The mustache came out when me and my girlfriend went to a country festival.
Oh, and that's kind of how
we're like, well, let's try to fit in, right? Let's try it out. And we just did it. I just did it. I said, oh, it looked good. Had the cowboy hat on and everything. And I was like, hey, this is a new look. And we just went with it.
Oh, nice. Okay, I love that.
And
it works because it gives you like a unique mark. You know what I'm saying? Like a signature logo.
They call me Mr. Pringles, the Monopoly Man, all that stuff.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm going to have
Mario,
you do it. I'm going to have you. Oh my God. Wait, let me cut it a little bit.
And the other thing is, too, I like to eat because food it's a language, right?
Right.
You can connect with anybody in the world.
You're right.
Over food.
It's like, it's a universal language.
Exactly.
Okay, so I'm going to have you wrap your mango.
Okay.
Right around there.
Roll in the top like that.
There you go. That's good.
Egg roll, just like that?
Yeah, we're going to do a little bit shorter ones. 'Cause, you know, with the tapes, you have to wrap it a few times. But look, with this,
for
duh,
real.
you know what I'm saying? Now that we have everything set up, we got our tahini, our chamoy, we got our watermelon wrapped with our homemade fruit that he made, okay, that we were going to put together, okay? So first we're going to do is we're going to dip it in the chamoy, then in the tahini, and then you can squeeze a little lemon. Ooh. My mouth is salivating. Maybe I'll help you too with some of this thing because it was giving
dry vibes.
Ooh, yes. That looks good. Oh, I'm so excited.
Guys, we got the watermelon and we got a healthy fruit roll-up wrapped around it with tahini, chamoy, and lemon. Let's see what we got. Man, this is like the perfect treat for the summer. You're out by the pool. You want something healthy and sweet at the same time.
So is this a yes, please, or a no bueno?
This is a hell yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yay! Okay, so I also made these Banana Foster Rice Krispie treats.
Wow.
Okay, and then you tell me, and they're more like ooey gooey, okay?
Oh God. What you put in these? This is like, my God, look at this. This is one of the best Banana Foster Rice Krispie. I can't even talk. It's that good, guys. My God. It's one of the best. Oh
Yay! God. All right, we did it. Give me a high five.
Woo.
Yes. Thank you so much. See, now you don't even gotta. You can make this. How easy was it?
Super easy.
And it tastes good, right?
And you can do any fruit too, which is, I love it.
All right, guys, you heard it. So take it out. Make sure we follow him. I'm gonna put his links right here with his page, okay? And he's starting a new YouTube series.
YouTube series, guys.
Coming soon.
Coming soon. Check it out.
All right, we're gonna follow him right here. Thank you, guys.